Hello students, my name is Harish and today I'm going to explain with the topic voluntary action. This topic is on the chapter control and coordination. Let us start. When an action is produced with the involvement of thoughts, they're called voluntary action. It involves action like walking, eating, and jumping and running. These actions are produced consciously. Okay, so what exactly does this line indicate or what does line mean? Basically, any action that we perform consciously by thinking of it, like we want to do it, like we know that we are going to do it. For example, you want to go from destination A to destination B, so you have thought, your conscious tells you that you will walk from A to B, and you're walking A to B. This is a voluntary action. You're volunteering, you're saying that I will do it. Okay, this is not like reflex action where you're unknowingly just doing it. That is different. In voluntary action, your thought process included and you exactly know what you're doing. Okay, in voluntary action, both spinal cord and brain are involved. Okay, and these coordinate with the PNS, that is peripheral nervous system, to generate necessary movements. Okay, so our brain and spinal cord along with PNS system is needed to do this action. Okay, and what does PNS stand for? Peripheral nervous system. This PNS consists of nerves and the ganglia outside the brain and spinal cord. Okay, so what was voluntary action? Voluntary action is any action that is produced with the involvement of thoughts. It is something which you are thinking and doing. Okay, this is something which you're doing consciously. This is not something you're doing unconsciously. You're doing this consciously. Okay, and you need spinal cord, brain along with PNS system to perform this action. So what are the example of voluntary action? You can like walking, running. This is an example of voluntary action. Eating, you want to eat, you're sitting to eat. Eating is a voluntary action. You're singing. Singing is a voluntary action. Dancing is a voluntary action. These actions include a thought process and you're doing it. Okay, so I hope the topic of voluntary action is clear here. Thank you.